This is the Barkeeper's Friend Soft Cleanser, and I usually use to clean my kitchen. It's formulated to help remove stains, soap scrub, and everyday buildup while being gentle enough for regular use on recommended surface. It has a smooth, creamy consistency that make it easy to apply directly onto surface like stainless steel, sinks, countertop, and even certain bathroom fixtures. I like that the liquid texture spread easily and rinse clean without leaving heavy residue behind. It's important to check that it's suitable for the specific surface you are cleaning and follow the direction on the label. Overall, it's convenient, ready to use option if you're looking for versatile household cleaner for kitchen and bathroom. And because this is a premix version, you don't have to measure or mix anything.